Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to use the different types of makeup brushes. I just got this set ordered from Amazon. This is a complete makeup set. You can see there are all different types of 24 brushes in this. You can see all of them. There are 24 of it in the packet. It comes in the leather pouch. It's in a leather pouch. You can just fold it and you can just wrap it also, and that's how it goes. See, this is it. It gets wrapped and you can just wrap it and just tie a knot. So it's a very nice travel makeup brushes or even professional makeup brushes. So they're very pretty and very nice to use. You can just, it has got all sorts of brushes, all which you need for your complete makeup. I'll be showing you how to use all of them today. I've just done the base makeup, that I have just done the base foundation and everything on my face. I've cleansed it, I've toned it, I've moisturized it, I've put my base makeup, and now I'm going to be starting my makeup. So I've just used my eyebrow brush. I'll show you what it is. Just this. I'm just using this eyebrow brush in front of you. And have a look how it is. This is my eyebrow palette and my contour and my blush and eyeshadow palette. This is the brush I'm using. You see that this brush has a slanting bristles. It's slanted from this side. So this is for the eyebrows. It really helps you to shape the eyebrows well. You see, I've shaped them with this, and now I'm going to just do the combing of the. There are two types of combs that you have, the eyebrow comb. One is this, which you just need to use after the brush, which helps you to comb your eyebrows so that they are in the same shape. And there is one that comes is this one. This has got a comb as well as a brush. It's a two-sided brush, eyebrow brush. One is to comb. You can use it like this. I haven't taken out the plastics just to, retain it and till the time I can. That's it. And then you can, if you want to comb it and you have long lashes, eyebrows, you can just do this. And you just need to comb it off like this. So these are the two types of eyebrow brushes you get. One is the slanting bristles and one is the hair brush and a comb. So both are very handy depending and suiting your eyebrows you can use. Now I'll be showing you the other brushes. That is, I'm going to be using this brush now. This is for my eyeshadow I'll be using. There are two types of eyeshadow brushes you have. If you are using the powder the eyeshadow, you can use this. It's a very soft bristle brush. You can just use it. And there is one which has got a sponge on it. So you can use this sponge to just dab a glitter or whatever you want to use. The powder eyeshadow. Usually the powder eyeshadows are used with this sponge brush. And with this you can use even a cream based eyeshadow. I'm going to be using from this palette only. I'm going to be using this shade. Since I'm wearing a blue, so I'm going to be using this. But I'm using this brush only because I feel I can do this. It comes out better for me. You start from the center of the eyes. It really comes out very well. You see? With this brush. It depends on you, whatever you're comfortable and whatever suits your eye. I feel I'm more comfortable with this, but with this you can use even a cream based. I'm using a powder based eyeshadow. You see, mine is all powder based. Since it's summertime, I prefer powder based eyeshadows. You see, I've used with this brush. Depends on you if you want to make it a little more darker. I want it a little darker. This is what I've done. Now I'll be using the sponge. If you want to use a little glitter, you can use a glitter. I'll show you the glitters that I have. I have this palette, glitter palette, eyeshadow black palette. It's a very pretty glitter eyeshadow palette. This also has a sponge brush. It's got 2 sponges, but I'm using my own professional brushes. So since I'm wearing a blue, I will be using probably maybe this blue. Yeah. Since this is the darkest I have. With the sponge, it comes out really nice. It sticks onto your eyelid, your eye socket very well. Start from the center of the eye socket. It's always good because then that's how you can spread your eyeshadow very well. You see the glitter I have put? You see it here? I have spread it with the sponge. If you want a little golden, it's up to you. I'm not using any golden right now. But if you're going for a party and something, you've got variety of colors that you can use as per your dress or your outfit. Now I will be using I will be using the brush for my highlighting. I have an eyeliner to be put, so I'm going to be putting the eyeliner. Show you what I'll be doing. I'm going to be wearing a black eyeliner. I feel eyeliners can really define your eyes very well. You see that? You can even use your kajal for defining your upper eyelid. I'm using the liquid eyeliner. Summertime, so you tend to start sweating on your nose and this area, so you can just dab it off. And now I'm going to be using the kajal of I have Faces Canada and I have Swiss Beauty. I prefer the Swiss Beauty kajal since it's very pigmented. Even the Faces Canada is very pigmented, but I would still prefer the Swiss Beauty. I like their products. They are super awesome products. I feel you must give it a try. Their products are really awesome. Now to keep it a little more darker, I'm going to be using my there is a brush for eyeliner also. I'll show you that brush. This is an eyeliner brush. It's a very thin eyeliner brush. So you can even use eyeliners with this. If you don't have any brush to apply, you can put it on this and just, go over it like this. And now I will be showing you the brush after this. The other brush that I'll be using is for my gel liner. So I'm using my gel liner. This is Maybelline gel liner that I'm using, and the brush that I'm using is this one. It's a very fine eyeliner gel brush. So you can even use this thin one. I've got this thin, so I'll probably try this one today. This helps to keep your kajal longer. It makes your kajal stay a little longer. If you want it to be there for a longer duration, you can use the gel liner after the kajal. It really helps to stay in there for a longer time. So you see that I have done my eyes. Just need to put a mascara. I'll be showing you how I'll be using my mascara. See, you use your, I have a mascara which is from Color Bar. It's a very nice mascara from Color Bar. I'm going to be using this one, but then I'm going to again use from my brushes to even out the mascara. This I'm using from this, but I will use the other brushes. I'll show you. I'll show you the other brush that you have for the mascara. This is a very nice, I showed you how to use these brushes. See, this can be also used as a mascara, and you can use it to even out the mascara that you've applied with the mascara brush. It really serves brushing your eyebrows as well as your eyelashes after putting the mascara. So it's pretty good. And now I'm going to be using my highlighter brush. See that? The highlighter brush that I have. Show you. This is my highlighter brush. It's a flat shaped brush. I'm going to be using this highlighter from my palette. This is the best to highlight your cheeks, your nose. If you don't have this brush, you can even use your regular brush and you can flatten the bristles. I'll show you how. See, what you can do is you have this brush. If you have a regular brush, if if this is your regular brush, you can just flatten this and use it like this. So if you don't have this kind of a highlighter brush, you can use the other brush also. So you can see that I'm just going to brush it off now. Okay, now this is done, and now I'll be using my blusher. This is my cheek blusher. I'll be using this just to overall brush off, give a nice blush effect. The flat brush helps you to spread the blusher well. See that? You can even use this. I have another brush, I'll show you. This is equally a very nice brush. This is a very super awesome brush. It is of Maybelline. You can just use this to make it a little more darker. So I'm done with this, and now I'm going to be putting my lipper. Since I got a new very pretty lip shade, I'll show you. This is from Maybelline. It's a very pretty lip shade and liquid lipstick, and I'm going to be using Swiss Beauty lip liner. That helps you to define the lips beautifully. And now I'm going to use the liquid lip liner of Maybelline. Very nice shade. So you're almost done. Once you've used a lip liner, that's easy to fill in the lips. The lip liner helps to define the lips, and you can easily fill your liquid lipstick in the lips then. So I recommend, if you can use the lip liner first and then fill in your lips, the lip shade comes very nice. I hope you liked my video. Please do like and subscribe.